This was a very challenging project, both technically and logistically. This stunning house, designed by David James Architects, really deserved a superb garden. We had made-up ground and virgin soil, and here we are drilling boreholes to do a soil test to check the integrity of the subsoil, because we're going to build the swimming pool and this lodge. So here on the rear boundary, we're starting to excavate down to find some good soil, and with a structural engineer on board helping us do the calculations, we've come up with this concrete raft. You can see the starter bars coming up out of the ground now, and there's absolutely loads and loads of steel and dense concrete block in this wall. It's double skin with reinforcing through the middle. Here are the fins of walls coming back through, and here we are starting to backfill. We haven't relied on the backfill for the structural integrity. We've cast a concrete raft over the top. We decided to use a pre-cast swimming pool, partly because of the difficulty of access to the site and also the speed of build. We simply didn't have the luxury of time. And here's the crane, a 250-ton crane to crane in our swimming pool. It was a very exciting day. The great thing about this pool is it has all of the vents and connectors all in place, so it can be connected up very quickly, and literally from 2 weeks of delivery you can be in the pool swimming. And we had to crane out our digger and our dumper because access had been lost once the next door house had been constructed. And here we are starting to construct this cedar lodge. It's made with structurally insulated panels, SIPs system, which means that it's erected very quickly, and it's a beautiful, beautiful structure. Now we move on to the bit that's very exciting for us, is the planting. And here are our pleached hornbeams being lifted in by a crane. They're so heavy, they're taking up to 4 or 5 people to lift them and move them. But they all had to be aligned carefully, totally vertical, and that took a lot of time. Here's lots of other plants coming in, and we're having to coordinate lots of activity on site with the pool guys and the planting team.